do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Welcome to my channel, guys. I hope you are doing good. So in today's reset, I just started off by washing my beddings. I took off the bed sheet, the pillowcases, and I just put them in the washing machine. I was kind of down on this day. I was so hungover, so it was quite a slow morning for me. I'm sure you guys can see that I was hanging real bad, but nevertheless we got to do what we had to do. So I just took this, put in the laundry, and then yeah, started my morning.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality.
So I stepped out just to go and get my nails done. I really needed to get them done. They were looking so crusty, so I opted for a gel overlay. I did a gel overlay on my natural nails, and they are so short, money nails, hello, but they are so cute. I'm really in love with my nails. I also had to just top up on a few groceries, get a few things from the store. Also went to the liquor shop just to get some drinks for Bay. So the main focus on this week's reset is the fridge. I just wanted to tackle my fridge. So I went in and threw everything that is rotten, bad. And I also just deep cleaned my fridge and my freezer, just, you know, making it fresh and restocking as well. So yeah, this is also a reminder for you. If you want to tackle your fridge, please go ahead and, you know what, join me.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it today. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
If you guys do enjoy these weekly resets, please do let me know down below, and please like the video so I know that you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button down below. You can also click on the bell right next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. So I used the Handy Andy multi-purpose spray. I basically sprayed the entire fridge with it, and then I left it for like a minute or two just so that it can pick up all the dirt. I then went in with a damp cloth, wiped down the entire fridge. I also went in with a dry cloth after that, a microfiber cloth. Just wipes it down and makes it shine, like it looks really, really clean afterwards. So to just clean the mirror part of the fridge, I just use a microfiber with water. I just dampen it and just wipe down the fridge, nothing else, just that. And then I use a paper towel as well just to wipe it off.
Every time I try to resist, you get away.
made banana bread during the week, and it was here for like over 3 days now, so it was bad. Just get that, rewashed my container thing and refilled it up with muffins that I bought from Checkers. I had some bananas that were bad, which I also had to get rid of, and put for. So this was later on in the day, and now so I also did change out the duvet and pillowcases like that. So yeah, this is it for this week. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys, sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below on what you would like to see in the resets on this channel as well. And yeah, that's it from me guys. Bye, see you in the next one.